In this video, I'm going to teach a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3212 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, a best match should appear. All you need to do is you need to click on the open option to continue. And in a while, you would be navigated to the Google Chrome browser. Now please wait until everything are set here, especially the search bar, before we proceed to the searching of our driver. Once it's here, please type for Epson L3210. Yes, Epson L3210 driver is the driver for our Epson L3212. So don't be confused. So click on the enter key and you would be able to see this kind of result. Please select any of such. Okay. And from here, you can see a window like this. Please click on this downloads to refresh the page and kindly wait until you can see the option where you can select your operating system. So please select the operating system, Windows 11, then click on Go. And from here, please scroll down on the list, okay? And click on this downloads again to refresh the page. And once it's here, please navigate to the drivers and it will show you the printer driver. So click on this download next to it and go with accept to the license agreement. And in that way, you can now start on the downloading. So click on keep and wait until this would be finished. The process would take some time. It would depend on the internet speed, especially the Wi-Fi connection that you have been connecting to as of the moment. So all you need to do is you need to wait until this would be done before we proceed to the installation. Okay, so once done, all you need to do is you need to click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So once you're here, we need to move on to the next step, and that is to copy or move it to the desktop. So how we can do so, here at the application, make a right click and go with the Scott icon. Once done, please close this window as well as this one. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. Once you have pasted it, you need to extract or unzip the file. So there are two ways on how to extract it. You can double tap to it and in that way you would be able to extract it, or you can simply make a right click and use the extract file or the WinRAR file. If no extract option has been located here, you can use this WinRAR tool to extract it. So click on it and eventually it will now start in the instruction. We just have to wait until it would be finished, and once a file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it. So from here, please make a right click here at the start icon, scroll up and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, here please navigate to the left pane where you can see Bluetooth and devices. Click on it, and please navigate to printers and scanners. So from here, please click on Add Device. Click on it, and please choose for Add Manually so that we can manually add our printer driver. So from here, please select for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Click on next, go with half disk and click on our extracted file has been placed at the desktop. Then we need to proceed to the desktop. Scroll down on the list, double tap to it, double tap once again, just double tap and select on this any of this three driver. So double tapped, click on OK and click on next. Okay, so please click on next and you can rename that into Epson L3212. Click on next and it will now start on the installation. So kindly wait until this would be finished. Okay, since we're almost there. Once done, please click on next once again and go with finished. So there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3212 printer series in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the windows opened and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.